Here we have a Wi-Fi client and we have a computer console that gives us some information about signal. So I've highlighted here the bit where it says signal to noise ratio 48 decibels. That's labeled as being an excellent signal. So for 48 decibels, what does that mean? What is the actual ratio of signal power to noise power? So we'd simply apply the definition. SNR equals 10 log base 10 S over N. And the question is asking for S over N. So you'd need to divide by 10 and then take the anti-log, or 10 to the power. So we've got 48 decibels. So that 48 goes in there. So 48 divided by 10 equals log S over N. So S over N is 10 to the power of 4.8. And that's your answer. If you put that in a calculator, you get 63096. So that's the ratio of the signal power to the noise power. So the signal power is 63,000 times more powerful than the noise power. And that's called an excellent signal. So you'll often come across this kind of Wi-Fi signal console in networking. And when you see something like 48 decibels as a signal to noise ratio, that now makes sense to you. You now should understand what is it telling you about the ratio of the signal to the noise.